Hey everyone. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia AI for beginners to create videos without a camera. Yeah, if you've ever wanted to make professional looking videos without filming yourself, this tool is perfect because, honestly, it saves a ton of time and gives you a polished result with minimal effort. So first, sign up for a Synthesia AI account and log in. Uh, Once you're in, click on Create Video to start a new project and choose your preferred AI presenter from the library, which can be customized to match your style. Next, write or paste your script. Yeah, Synthesia lets you input text directly, and it will convert it into spoken dialogue with natural sounding voiceovers so you don't have to record anything manually. After that, choose your video template and background. Uh, you can select colors, images, or even upload your own media to make the video visually appealing and on brand. Also, adjust timing, subtitles, and animations. Yeah, small tweaks like adding captions or transitions make your video more engaging and easier to follow for viewers. And yeah, once everything looks good, render your video. So Synthesia will generate the final clip, which you can download or share directly online, ready to use on YouTube, social media, or presentations. Finally, experiment with different presenters, voices, and styles. Most of the time, Synthesia AI lets beginners create high-quality videos quickly without needing a camera or expensive setup. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.